In this video, we'll install the lounge seat package onto the FX RecDeck. Let's get started. Release the multi-use rack cam locks on each side. Spread the rack and relatch the cam locks. Locate the two holes on the forward edge of the multi-use rack. Insert the bolt with the washer in from the bottom. Put the washer over the bolt on top of the rack and thread the pin on. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Locate the front tab under the top deck of the rack. Place the seat down onto the pins. Align the pins in the holes and gently press on the front of the seat until the latch is secure. Ensure the seat is secure before riding the WaveRunner. There are webbing straps that secure the snaps to keep the seat closed while riding. Tighten the bolts, securing the pins without moving them from their location. Reconfirm the seat smoothly latches onto the pins, and if not, adjust the pins. Locate the two plastic U-shaped pins on the rear top side of the side bag. Insert both tabs into the upper grooves, gently pull downwards until you hear a slight click. Slip the Velcro webbing through each of the grooves over the plastic clips on the top side. Slip the bottom Velcro webbing through the bottom groove side piece of the multi-use rack and secure the Velcro to the upper strap. Repeat the same steps for the other side. To remove the seat, release both latches and pull the seat up and towards the rear of the WaveRunner. To remove the assembled multi-use rack and seat together, unlatch the Velcro around the over-center cleat locks and unlatch the over-center latches. Pull the rack up and toward the rear of the WaveRunner. And this completes the install of our lounge seat package with the RecDeck.